What if I told you that small investments made today could turn into a fortune in the future? It might sound like magic, but it's actually the power of compounding. In this video, we'll show you how this simple concept can revolutionize your financial life. What is compounding? Compounding is the process where your earnings generate their own earnings. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing bigger as it goes. Ever wonder why some people seem to have money effortlessly? It's not magic. It's compounding. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested early can surpass larger amounts invested later. But wait, there's another secret to compounding you don't want to miss. Consistency is key. Regular contributions to your investments allow compounding to work its magic continuously. It's like watering a plant. Forget to water it, and it won't grow. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine investing just $100 a month at a 7% return. Over 30 years, you'd have, well, a lot more than just a few $100. Now, what if you doubled that amount? The power of compounding can be your ticket to financial freedom, but only if you start now and stay consistent. Want to break free from bad money habits that might be holding you back? Watch our next video on 10 money habits that are secretly keeping you poor and take control of your financial future.